Hi, good morning. How are you? What day is it today? Do you know? You do? Yeah, it's Friday. You got it. And what month are we in? April. That's right. And today is April 3rd, 2020. Good. Are you ready to have some fun in your letters and sounds book? Good, so you need to go get your letters and sounds, and you need to get a pencil. So you can pause the video for a minute and go get it, and then come back all ready, okay? You got it? Good, so we're gonna start today with page 136. Do you see it right there? 136. Super. So here on the top of the page, says number 3, it says, write the blend you hear in each word. So you only need to write the blend. You don't need to write the whole word. Do you remember what a blend is? Okay, when we put a consonant and a vowel together, it makes a blend. That's right. Okay, so it could be the long sound or it could be the short sound. Okay, so this is the word bicycle. 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 So I need you to write the blend by. I. Good. This is boat. 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 So I need you to write the blend bow. Bow. Ba-o. Bow. You got it? Good. This is 5. 5. 5. I need you to write the blend 5. 5. 5. Good. You got it? And the last one is rake. 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 And I need you to write the blend ray. A. These are all vowels that have the long sound, like A, acorn. Or here, bicycle, I, ice cream. Boat, O, open. And 5, also, I, ice cream. Did you get them all? Did you do that? Super. Okay, here, number 4 says, fill in the circle under the word that will complete each sentence. Okay, so let's read the first one together. Are you ready? Can you see it? It says, a nut hit Sam on his what? Hat or egg? Let me think. Did it hit him on his hat or on his egg? On his hat. Good. So we're going to fill in the circle under the word right there. Hat. Should we read it one more time? A nut hit Sam on his hat. Very good. Then we're going to read the next one. It says, can Pam bake a or cake? Can Pam bake a like C? No. So it would be cake. Yummy, yummy for my tummy. So let's read it again together. Can Pam bake a, see the word? Cake. Good job. And the last one says, right here, Pete tied up his side or dog? I wonder. I don't think he tied up his side. This is side, the side of you. But did he tie up his dog? Ruff, 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 ruff. Maybe he was trying to get away, so he had to tie him up for a little while. Let's read it together. Pete, right here, Pete tied up his dog. Good, you finished page 36. Super good. Okay, so now it's evaluation time, okay? So parents, I want you to let the kids do it themselves. They know how to do it. So you can read the instructions or they can listen to me giving the instructions as well, and then they can fill it in, okay? And if I'm going too fast for them, you can always just pause it for a second and then you can keep going. Okay, is that good? Okay, so we're gonna go to page 137 right here. Good. And we're gonna start by writing our name at the top. And we're gonna do it very neatly. Please hold your pencil correctly. Good. Okay, make sure your feet are on the floor, your book's in a good position, you're sitting up straight. Good. So number 1 says, write the blends your teacher says. What's a blend? Do you remember? A blend is when we put a consonant and a vowel together. And that makes a blend. Good. Okay, so here, the first one we're going to write ma. 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 Ah. Ma. Did you do it? Good. Here, we're going to write the blend ma. 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 Ah. Ma. Good job. Super good. And the last one, we're going to write the blend na. 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 Ah. Na. Did you get it? Good job. Next, number 2, mark the vowels. That's all you have to do. You just have to mark the vowels and you know how to do that. So you're going to do great. Awesome. And number 3 says, circle the word that names the picture. Okay, so I'm not going to tell you which word, but I will tell you what the picture is, okay? Here we go. The first one is soap. 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 So you have to circle the word soap. Did you find it? Good. Now circle it. Next one. Tube. 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 Did you find the word tube? You did? Did you circle it? Awesome. Next word. Hive. Hive is where the little bees that make the honey live. Hive. 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 Good. Did you find the word? Yeah. Okay, circle it. Good job. And our last word is web. 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 Super. Okay. You finished page 137. So now we're going to turn the page to 139. Because 138 doesn't have anything on it. Okay, so our next page is 139. Did you get it? Okay, good job. So I want you again to write your name at the top and do it very neatly. Hold your pencil correctly. Keep your feet on the floor. Sit up straight. You guys are awesome. Okay, so here it says 1, fill in the circle under the letter that will make a word. Draw pictures of the words you made. Okay, so I'll do the first one with you, okay? This one, the first letter is V. And the last sound is So which one would it be? Von or van? What do you think? Would it be von or van? Yeah, van. So then we're going to circle right here the letter A. That makes it sound van. And I want you here to draw a picture of a van. And I'm going to be so excited to see your work. Okay, so make sure to take pictures of that, all right? Super. Okay, bye. Have a wonderful weekend, and we'll see you soon. I think we'll see you after vacation time. We're going to have a little break, and then we'll be back. But keep practicing. Read your readers that I sent you. Read other books. There's so much to learn. So many places we can go in our imagination, okay? Like we just did at Circle Time with our story about Go Dogs Go. Remember? That was so fun. Okay, so there's so many books like that. So I'm so excited to hear how it went on your vacation when we come back together, okay? I'm sending you a huge hug. Lots of love. Bye.